All right, y'all, welcome back to TA's Garage. And for today's project, me and the homie Nick are gonna be fixing the shocks that hold up this hatchback, the trunk, whatever you wanna call it right here, holding that up. These are extremely old and they're not very strong, so we will be replacing those. I believe I picked up the set of two at AutoZone for about 80 bucks. Yes, they were $40 each, very expensive. You might wanna look on another website or maybe the junkyard to find a pair, but these did cost me 80 bucks. And since we are back here, we might as well just organize this, clean this a little bit. We're gonna take that rug off, clean it, vacuum it, and then clean all this underneath stuff right here, because as you guys can see, it is very dirty. So we're just gonna clean the whole rear of the car back here, change these shocks right here. So this is gonna be a great video. I appreciate all the support, so let's get right into it. And here we have the two new shocks right here, brand new in the packaging. All right, guys, so the first step in removing this hatch strut right here, you're gonna need to pop off this little cover right there. Popped off, and then there's a C-clamp that holds that. Pop that out with a flathead screwdriver, and then you can remove the bottom half of it. All right, guys, so you guys might be wondering, why is it dark outside? When we were first watching the video, it was bright, it was sunny. Yes, that was because we were trying to figure out how to take this strut nut, or whatever you want to call this bolt, off of this actual strut itself. And come to find out, you can't really do that. Your assembly kit or whatever the struts that you buy, the replacement ones, are supposed to come with a spare or a separate one, a replacement one. So ours didn't, so we had to go to Advanced Auto Parts to get the bolt and everything. Where is it? You got the bolt right here? So here are the replacement ones right here. Advanced Auto Parts do sell it right here. So now we're gonna put this one on the trunk, and then we're gonna attach the new strut to the vehicle. So boom, we have that new one on. Just tighten it up right there with a wrench. It's a pretty simple installation once you have all those parts on. You're just gonna wanna throw the bottom of the strut right there and there, put the C-clamp on, and then move up to the top and add it right there to this little knob right there. And boom, that's basically how you replace the strut arm on your trunk of your 1996 Acura Integra. Alright y'all, so we got the whole trunk carpet vacuum clean. It was already pretty clean, but we just gave it a second wash. We did the wet vac. We did suck up some gunk, but right now it's looking super crisp. And right underneath, the big reveal, boom, look how much cleaner that actually looks. Now, I don't know if you guys saw, but there was a puddle of water underneath the tire, and it was disgusting. It was brown, it was rusty, it was disgusting. So we were able to get all of that out and make this back super clean. And since we were back here, we did clean up this like railing, this gutter system right here. We got all the gunk out of there. You guys saw the carpet. You guys saw us install this fire strut. Now we are good to go. The trunk is not going to fall on us, and everything is beautiful again. All right, y'all. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you smash that like button. If you have any comments, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be answering every single one of you guys. I really do appreciate all the support. And the next couple of videos that should be hitting the channel are going to be spark plug wires, gasket cover. We're going to repaint that. We're going to sand it down. We're going to do an oil change. We're going to change all 3 serpentine belts on the engine. Basically just a refresh, a tune up to get everything nice and clean and running extra well. So make sure you guys smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. More videos are coming to the channel. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy Tim. I'm signing out. Peace.